Another Ghost Immobiliser fitted, this time to Ford Focus ST 2020 plate. Just to show you how it works. Get inside. If you try to start it without entering the code, put on clutch and start, we get nothing, right? To start it, all you need to do is switch ignition on, enter your code. At this time, sample code for the customer. This can be changed anytime, obviously. Once installed is gone. 2 flashes of indicator, foot on clutch and start. That starts it straight away. Nice and easy. Every Ghost has service mode, so that basically allows you to switch the Ghost off if you're dropping the car off for any work, service, airport, valet. There's a simple procedure for this as well, so by knowing this, you don't have to share your code with anyone, obviously. So it's really nice and convenient. When you pick the car up, you just enter your code again, Ghost switches back on. If you want Ghost installing or you have any questions, we are covering all Yorkshire, Manchester, Leeds, Sheffield, Barnsley, Huddersfield, Wakefield, wherever you are. Just pop us a message. We can come to you and fit any security at your convenience. It could be Ghost Immobiliser, other type of immobilizers, trackers, S5, S7, alarm system, dash cams. We do all that, so feel free to get in touch. Thank you.